Story. Superman, the archetype of superheroes, was born from the vision of Siegel and Schuster in 1938. On the dying planet Krypton, Jor-El prepares to send his infant son to safety. Krypton explodes as the rocket carrying the infant hero escapes into space. The tiny rocket safely crash lands in a field in Smallville, Kansas. The child is discovered by the kind farmer Jonathan Kent and his gentle wife Martha Kent. Raised with strong morals, the boy grows up learning to use his gifts for good. Clark Kent arrives in the massive, futuristic city of Metropolis to start his career at the Daily Planet. Inside the Daily Planet newsroom, Clark attempts to look inconspicuous while Lois Lane commands attention. Lex Luthor observes Clark Kent from afar, sensing an underlying disparity between the mild reporter and his hidden potential. A crisis erupts. Clark excuses himself rapidly from Lois, already sensing the need to transform. Transforming mid-air, Clark sheds his civilian clothes as he rockets towards the sky as Superman. Superman confronts the threat, exhibiting overwhelming power against Lex Luthor's scheme. The narrative affirms Superman's foundational role in establishing the entire superhero genre. He embodies the core tenets: the secret identity, the vibrant costume, and an unwavering fight for justice. Superman remains a powerful symbol of hope, upholding the ideals of truth and justice. He is the ultimate alien success story, dedicating his alien powers to bettering his adopted home. His legacy evolves across media, from early films starring Christopher Reeve to modern blockbusters.